Good evening, everyone. So this is the full video of our dinner last night. What I'm currently doing is I'm sauteing the onion with salted butter until translucent, and then I'm adding the mushroom na. And salted butter pala yung ni-use ko para hindi na ako magtimpla-timpla. And now I'm adding tuna flakes in oil para hindi mag-agawan yung lasa. And then nagpiga ako ng mga 5 na limoncito or calamansi, and then some parmesan to taste before I added the 3 cheese and yung fresh parsley. Tira lang tong parsley na to ng holiday so inuubos ko lang before pa masira. And then that's it. Para siyang lasagna in a way without the pasta. So enjoy! Kain po tayo!